The fuel filter is attached to a length of fuel line in the fuel tank. The filter can move freely in the tank, so it stays submerged when the tool is tipped. The filter removes debris from the fuel, so it doesn't enter and clog the carburetor. Over time, the fuel filter will become clogged with debris, which will restrict the flow of fuel to the engine. This can result in an engine that is hard to start, starts and dies, or won't start at all. Replacing the fuel filter is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The new fuel filter is located inside the fuel tank. I'll start by removing the fuel cap. Next, I'll use a hook that I've made out of a piece of wire to pull the fuel line out of the tank. I'll remove the old fuel filter and install the new. As I install the filter, I want to make sure that the hose clamp fits over the neck on the filter, like that. And I'll place the fuel filter back into the tank. And that's all it takes to install a new fuel filter in your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up